Hey guys, I thought I'd hop on here real quick just to kind of walk you through something. I remember when Animal Farm first launched and I was super frustrated. I had been booted out of the main Telegram groups because I had clicked on, a fraudulent link or something like that. I don't know exactly what happened, but I was out of it. So then I wasn't able to hear Forex Shark's directions. I wasn't able to ask questions to people. So it was really, really a challenging time. And I think the launch was also delayed. So everybody was a bit frustrated and high stress levels at the moment. And yeah, it was just a super frustrating time. So I had, brought my money over, was ready to go, couldn't get the dogs and pigs purchased. So then I just gave up. I was like, I'm done with this. I had other things going on. So then later on in the evening, when my world kind of settled down a bit, I came back to it and I said, let me try this again. And as I was thinking a little bit more clearly, things started to work for me. So I still get questions about how to buy dogs and pigs, single tokens on the Animal Farm. So I just thought I'd come on here and just kind of quickly show you how to do it because it isn't very intuitive necessarily, okay? All right, so what I like to do, my first recommendation here is always to come to the site to actually purchase things. When it comes to contracts, I wouldn't click on links within the Telegram groups because it could be a scammer's link, you never know. So always come to the main site for these contracts. So anyway, what I plan to do here today actually is a two-part video. This first part is just going to cover off how to buy single tokens, so dogs and pigs. There is going to be a quick reference guide in the notes section to this video. So if you need the step-by-step instructions, rather than listening to this video as you're doing it, then feel free to use that. And then I'm going to come back in a part 2 of this video to show you how to buy paired tokens, which is a little bit different. Okay. All right, so let's get started. So I already mentioned I like to come to the site directly to purchase any of these specific Animal Farm tokens. So since we're dealing with single tokens, what I'm going to do is go to the pools. This is where the dog single token is. If I want to buy the pig token alone, then I would go to the pig pen. Okay, and this is the area where the pig pen token is used. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the dogs. And down here, you'll see that there's a details. So I'm going to click on details, and this is going to bring you, I'm going to click on view contract. This is going to bring you to BSC scan, which shows you the actual contract for this token. I'm going to click on copy address to clipboard. Okay. And I'm going to come back to the site, and now I'm going to get dogs, right? So I'm going to click on get dogs. This is going to bring me to PancakeSwap, and it's going to kind of confuse you because you're seeing add liquidity. You're not trying to add liquidity right now. You just want to swap, whatever tokens you have for dogs, right? So what you're trying to do is actually trade. So you're going to click on trade and then click on exchange. Okay. At this point, you want to connect your wallet. So connecting my MetaMask wallet, it tells you how much of your tokens you have, if you have any. And then you want to click on, I'm going to be purchasing dogs in this case, right? So I'm going to click on the bottom item, then click on manage tokens. Then click on tokens, and then this is where you actually put the contract in for the dogs, okay? I've already done it, that's why it's already showing here. So I'm just gonna close that out. So this is what it's gonna look like for you once you paste in that contract address. So now you click on import, and then it's gonna tell you that anyone can create a token with any name, right? So again, scammers can do this too. That's why you always get it from the source, okay? So this one we got from the source, so I'm gonna click I understand, and I'm going to import the token because I know that this is the true token. So see the token that I'm purchasing, dogs, is down on the bottom. And now I can select any token from my MetaMask to purchase the dogs with. I'm not actually going to purchase any dogs right now, but if I were, I would click on maybe max or like update this number to the amount that I want to purchase with. And then this is the amount of dogs I'm going to get. This is the price of the dogs at this time. And then you click on swap. Notice that the slippage tolerance is now 10%. Most times it's set to 0.5%, but on Pancake Swap specifically, you have to update the slippage tolerance. If it's not 10% for you right now, what you want to do is click on the cogwheel up here. And then, maybe it's clicked on 5%, 0.5%. You just go into this area here and type in 10%. Okay. And then click close. And then that will update the slippage tolerance to 10%. At this point, you can click swap. It should go through for you, but if it doesn't, then I would suggest just going over to KuCoin. KuCoin has auto slippage, so you don't even have to mess with this. You'd have to still add in the contract number, connect your wallet, the contract. Yeah, you'll have to add in the contract for dogs or pigs or whatever. Change or connect your wallet as I've done so here. And then do your swap at that point. So that one, KuCoin, it always goes through. Pancake Swap is a little tricky because you have to update this 10%, but hopefully you've done that fine. And then you'll just be able to see, once you click swap, you'll be able to see the amount that you had purchased in your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. And again, I'm going to have a part 2 talking about how to purchase paired tokens in a moment. All right, take care.